What if I told you the most respected people in the room aren't the loudest, the richest, or even the smartest? They do something completely different, and most people never figure it out. Today I'm giving you 7 psychology-backed secrets that will make people naturally respect you without begging for it, without faking confidence, and without changing who you are. Stay till the end, because secret number 7 is the one that changes everything. Respect isn't something you demand. It's something you earn through behavior, mindset, and the subtle signals you send every single day. Psychologists have studied human behavior for decades, and they've found patterns, specific, repeatable things that trigger respect in other people's minds automatically. These aren't tricks. These are truths. Let's get into it. On secret number 1, the power of silence. Most people are terrified of silence. They fill every gap with noise, nervous laughter, filler words, unnecessary explanations. But psychologists call this verbal overcompensation, and it signals insecurity. Highly respected people? They pause. They think before they speak. And when they do speak, people listen. Here's a simple exercise. The next time someone asks you a question, take a 2-second pause before answering. Don't rush. That pause alone signals confidence, control, and depth. Remember, silence is not weakness. Silence is power. Secret number 2, stop over-explaining yourself. Have you ever noticed that insecure people justify everything? I was late because of traffic, and also my alarm didn't go off, and also, respected people don't over-explain. They say what they mean clearly and confidently, and they leave it there. Psychology calls this self-justification bias. The more you explain, the less confident you appear. Practice saying, "I can't make it." Full stop. No 10-sentence apology. Boundaries without explanation. Guarantee instant respect. Secret number 3, master the art of eye contact. Studies from Harvard show that people who maintain steady, warm eye contact are perceived as more intelligent, more trustworthy, and more dominant. But here's what most people get wrong. They either avoid eye contact out of nervousness, or they stare intensely like they're trying to win a competition. The sweet spot. Maintain eye contact about 70% of the time when someone is speaking to you. When you speak, hold it even stronger. Look at people like you're genuinely interested, because honestly, if you're not, that's a whole separate problem. Secret number 4, the name game. Dale Carnegie said it best: a person's name is, to that person, the sweetest sound in any language. And neuroscience backs this up. When someone hears their own name, the brain's reward centers light up. When you use someone's name naturally in conversation, not in a creepy, salesperson way, you signal that they matter to you, and people respect those who make them feel seen. Try it today. Next conversation, use the person's name once naturally. Watch how their energy shifts toward you. Hey, quick pause. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button right now. We break down psychology, mindset, and self-improvement every week in a way that actually makes sense. All right, back to the secrets. Secret number 5, be genuinely interested, not interesting. Most people walk into conversations thinking, how do I impress this person? Highly respected people think, what can I learn from this person? Psychologist Robert Cialdini found that people are drawn to those who show genuine curiosity in them. When you ask thoughtful questions, listen actively. And remember, details people share, they feel valued. And people deeply respect those who make them feel that way. So next time, put your ego aside. Ask more, talk less. Listen more than you speak. Secret 6, control your reactions. Think about the most respected person you know. Do they flip out over small things? Do they panic under pressure? Probably not. Psychologists call this emotional regulation, and it is one of the strongest predictors of leadership and social respect. When something goes wrong and everyone else is reacting, you respond slowly, deliberately. This doesn't mean you suppress emotion. It means you choose how and when to express it. Here's a trick from cognitive behavioral therapy. When you feel reactive, ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? If not, lower your response level accordingly. Calm is magnetic. Calm commands respect. Secret number 7. Do what you say. Do exactly what you say you're going to do. This sounds so simple, but look around. How many people actually keep their word consistently? Psychologists call this behavioral integrity, and research shows it's the single biggest driver of how much people trust and respect you. When you say you'll call, you call. When you commit to something, you show up. When you make a promise, you keep it. Every time you follow through, you build what's called social capital, invisible credibility that makes people naturally look up to you. And every time you don't, you make a small withdrawal from that account. Enough withdrawals, and the account is empty. Want to be respected? Be someone people can count on. That's it. That's the whole secret. Let's do a quick recap of all 7 secrets. Embrace silence. Don't fill every gap with words. Stop over-explaining. Confidence needs no apology. Master eye contact. 70% rule. Warm and steady. Use people's names. Make them feel seen. Be interested, not just interesting. Ask, listen, remember. Stay calm under pressure. Respond, don't react. Keep your word every time. Integrity builds respect. Now here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of these today. Practice it. See what changes. Respect isn't something that happens overnight, but these habits, done consistently, will change how people see you. If this video gave you value, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and lets me keep making content like this for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and go earn that respect.